Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm not going to tell about technical specifications or details of the iPhone 12. It's already launched 1 year ago and most of us know about those stuff. This video is for the great deal offered by FLIPKART. Most people were a bit enigmatic or unclear about the deal, but it's absolutely real guys. I mean, I got my iPhone 12 for just rupees 40,149 and I'm feeling extremely lucky. So let's quickly open and check my phone now. We all can see the poly wrap is well intact and there is no sign of broken seal. One more thing that came to my notice is actually really a kind of proud feel because it's assembled in India. The country of origin is India and the manufacturing date like month is September 2021, which is really nice. The stock is latest. So let's proceed and check what's inside the box. And let me just open the top cover and here we go. Okay, so just look at it. Wow, it's so spectacular, the green color. I mean, I have been using iPhone since long, but whenever I see them all over again, so I definitely fall in love with them once again. Every time it happens. Just look at the glass back, the build quality, the design, everything. It's massive. So these are some of the user guide, some Apple sticker is there, and the SIM card ejector tools. You can have a look all the paperwork and everything. And now I can clearly see there's a type C to lightning cable and there is no charger adapter in the box. No adapter, only the cable. So now you can clearly have an idea that you have to buy it separately, and I have ordered it as well from the FLIPKART itself. So this is my adapter. I'll open it up so that you can have a clear look what's inside. So you can see this is the basic adapter, 20 watts fast charging adapter. Now it's time to switch on this iPhone 12 and the screen also looks perfect, totally new, shiny and all black. That's the quality. And I have switched it on and the screen looks perfect. And let's wait. Wow, the illuminance is really great, very sharp, and everything feels good. The overall feel is really premium, which is very obvious. So let me now set up my phone and come back to you guys, okay? So the setup is done and I just wanted to show you guys about the warranty. You can clearly see that it's 1 year warranty and the deal is very much genuine. My advice is if you're planning to buy an iPhone with 5G, great camera setup including Dolby Vision HDR recording, also powerful processor chip, then this deal is a full paisa vasool deal. I got it at this low price because I had a phone for exchange, iPhone 6s, and was also eligible for the bank offer from ICICI or Axis Bank. So if you have these, then it will be like icing on the cake. Thank you for watching.